you're doing well. My name is Grace Manyango. I'm going to pick up mtaani to drop a package. I'm walking. It's a bit rainy, but I guess I'll talk to you once I get to the house. This is the package. Yeah, let's see you in a minute. Guys, I started this video earlier as I was going to do deliveries. I think you saw that. So this is like just a continuation of the scene. Gosh, I need to get rid of this head. So I'm here chilling with this children. She's just taking her eggs. Say hi, mama. Hi. Hi. She's taking her eggs. I'm just here chilling and just like I was taking some tea. The weather started out a bit cold. It was raining in the morning, and it's a bit now. It's not. It's a bit dry, so yeah. I do sell shirts. I was doing some deliveries in the morning, but now I'm in the house and I was just sitting here wasting some time, just passing time, waiting for the day to end. And then I go back online and start selling them again. So yeah, that's what I do for a day. And hopefully it will grow. So I'm an online entrepreneur. I do men's shirts. Yeah. So anyway, guys. Mamaliza. Sawa, maliza chai. Yeah, so we are bored. She's giving me stories. So we are chilling. Actually, I don't know why I've done this video, but it's okay. Oh my god, my lighting. Oh my god. Okay, yeah. Hey. Guys, I'm having problems with this phone. The storage is bad. And the storage is bad and it has no space, but we move regardless. So yeah, that's for Monday. It's called Monday Blues. There's nothing much to do, just bored in the house, just relaxing and ranting. Yeah. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video because I don't even know why I've picked my camera to talk to you guys. But anyway, it is what it is. So keep subscribing to my YouTube channel. Press my link down. More love, more vibes.